Thursday. But here's the good news. I said it was going to be a gray and rainy start, but I promised you a nice Memorial Day weekend.
Love it.
That's the trade-off. If we can muddle through a couple of wet days, then we can make it to a sunny weekend.
Like it.
So there's hope ahead. I just don't want to have anyone having too high of expectations for today's forecast, although there are some folks that aren't going to see much in regards to rain today. One of those places, Etowah County. This is a live look from our Storm Track Tower Cam there in Gadsden, where we are seeing a gray sky. And here's what's kind of neat. If you're looking over towards the mountaintops there, you can actually kind of see some of the clouds there at the peak of the mountain. That to say, maybe some occasional drizzle and isolated showers possible, but I don't think the entire day is going to be washed out. Temperatures this morning ranging anywhere between the mid and upper 60s. It looks like for the most part, we're just seeing some cloud cover. Anniston, though, still dealing with some wet weather. I think pretty much east of Moody over towards Anniston, Oxford, all the way to the Georgia state line. That's where we're going to see the wet weather along Interstate 20. And then south of 20, that's where the heaviest rain is falling from Demopolis over towards Montgomery along Interstate 85 from Montgomery over towards LaGrange. Now north of 20, you'll notice maybe just an occasional spotty shower, and that's really the story today. North of 20 is going to stay drier, but south of 20, again, a little bit soggier there. Now, a lot of this heavy rain that we're seeing this morning is expected to begin tapering as we move into the afternoon. Temperatures this morning ranging anywhere between the mid to upper 60s, but because of the rain and because of the cloud cover, we're not going to be warming up all that much. We're staying in the mid 60s all the way through 9 o'clock. Notice in your hour-by-hour breakdown, yeah, again, maybe an occasional shower or two, maybe 1 or 2 rumbles of thunder. That's about it. But again, I don't expect us to necessarily be socked in with the rain today. But let me break this down. So this is 9 o'clock this morning. Sure, there's going to be loads of wet weather from Clanton over towards Rockford, even at Lake Martin. But notice what happens from 9 a.m. to around noon. That quickly races off to the east. Then by 1 o'clock, the skies begin to dry out and even some breaks in the clouds up towards northwest Alabama. Highs today will be in the mid to upper 70s for the most part, but where we see a few breaks in the clouds, temperatures could warm to close to 80 degrees. Cloud cover sticks around overnight tonight, but then just after midnight through around sunrise tomorrow, we'll see another round of rain, and then we'll just see a couple of pulses of energy throughout the afternoon, bringing us some sporadic rain through our Wednesday. And then I promise after sunset Wednesday night, that rain begins to clear out. You'll notice rainfall totals heaviest down south and along I-20 and points north. You know, we could see about an inch of rain. Promises of sunshine, there it is, just in time for your Memorial Day weekend. And that's a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast. Now